cooking device commonly used in rural village and communicated, especially in developing countries. It is crafted from locally available material, primarily mud or clay, and often mixed with other natural materials like straw and dung. Village mud stoves are typically made by locally artisans or the user themselves. They are built using a mixture of mud or clay, sometimes reinforced with straw or other organic material to create a sturdy and heat-resistant fuel sources. These stoves are designed to burn various types of biomass fuels such as wood, crops, residues, or dried animal dung, which are readily available in rural areas. Mud stoves are favored in rural settings due to their affordability and availability of material. They are efficient in terms of heat resistance and then cook food with minimal fuel consumptions. Additionally, they reduce indoor air pollution by directing smoke outside through the chimney.
Was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.